Running Facebook ads for Shopify involves integrating your Shopify store with Facebook and creating targeted ad campaigns to drive traffic and sales. Here's how to do it. Connect Shopify to Facebook. Install the Facebook Sales Channel app from the Shopify App Store and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to your Facebook page and Business Manager. Set up Facebook Pixel. Install the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store to track user interactions and conversions. This allows you to optimize your ad campaigns and measure their effectiveness. Define your audience. Use Facebook's targeting options to define your target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and past purchase behavior. Create compelling ad creative. Design eye-catching ad creative that showcases your products and highlights their benefits. Use high-quality images or videos and compelling ad copy to attract attention and drive engagement. Set budget and schedule. Determine your ad budget and schedule, including daily or lifetime budget and ad placement options. Monitor and optimize. Monitor the performance of your Facebook ads in Ads Manager and Shopify's Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments to your targeting, ad creative, and budget based on the results to optimize your campaigns for better performance and ROI.